Hello, my name is Kevin, and I'm going to show you how to fix spots like acne or just blemishes in general on the face. So what you're going to do is go over to the spot healing brush tool and right click it, and you can see it kind of looks like a band-aid. You want the band-aid with the circle. It's called the spot healing brush tool, and make sure it's on that one. Then what you're going to do is just click on the spots until they kind of just clear up. Now, it's not going to make it entirely perfect, but it'll do a pretty decent job at it. So you just want to click it. You don't want to drag, because if you drag, it'll mess how the face is up. So you just want to click and move, click and move. And you don't want to get too close to the lip, because it'll mess it up. Just keep clicking around, fixing it. And, click the areas that need to be fixed up until you are satisfied with how it looks, which I think that's pretty good. And that's it for the spot healing. Now for making like a blank face smile, what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to filter and click it, come down to distort, and go to liquefy. So you can adjust your brush size here, your brush pressure here, and you're just going to grab the edges and pull upwards. Into a smile. And you're going to do the same thing over here. I mean, it'll look really good, but I'm not a professionalist at this. Just kind of pull it up. And you can always revote it to fix it and start all over again. And it's not much of not a super noticeable change, but it works. It makes it. You see, just like that. And you got your smile. And that is it. That is how you fix a smile and fix blemishes.